kata mondo kidne ratiro mag oganda. Kane giloso kod ute mag fwambe boma ma Kisumu kod le kanyo to kod migosi Audi Oganda, jokedne ratich oganda go wacho ni obila kuom jumbe mago mosekadho moloyo 2 osebedo koro ka sandogi kendo koro makogi matergi iye ewi kethogo ma ok gitimo gini giwegi. Koro gigolo ose mager ahinya e tim ma obila bende nyaka sani ma Nyanza kaachiel kod ma Kisumu koro timo ka ithoro makogi maka kendi ichuogonegi wechego ma ichwalo godo iye. Kamano giwacho ni en achiel kuom gigo ma item roch godo mondo kik gidhi nyime to kod tijgi. Giwacho ni koro mano ok gima biro buogi kendo gibiro dhi nyime ka gikwayo obila mondo koro luwre kod chike madwarore mondo gin bende koro gitim tijgi e yorno man kare.
Policemen, some in civilian and some in uniform, allegedly said that we are engaged in illegal business in my homestead. I asked them, what exactly are you looking for? And where is the search warrant that you are here to search my home with? They were not able to produce any search warrant, and as such we argued with them for some time. And it is during this period that I saw 2 policemen in uniform starting to walk around in my compound. My homestead is so full of sugarcane, sweet sugarcane plantation that we have in the homestead. And they were just walking around. What they were looking for, I did not know. Up to now, they did not even show me anything that they had found in my home that according to them was illicit. I want to state clearly that I was released at night around 1 p.m. after the intervention of my brother, who came and paid cash bail of 30,000. We were actually not receipted at night, and we were asked to come in the morning for a receipt, which has been issued to us of 30,000 shillings, and they say I should report to the Chief Magistrate's Court on Monday, charged with possession of bang.
Because we want to raise our concern around the recent targeting, profiling, and harassing of human rights defenders directly by the Kenya Police. Yesterday it was my brother Nyaguti. 2 days ago it was my elder Audi Oganda. A few weeks back it was me. We are being maliciously charged. We are being maliciously detained. We are being harassed and also profiled negatively in the eye of the public. It is very sad that an elder like Nyaguti, somebody who's given his life to defend the public, is now maliciously being charged with selling bang. I have also been a human rights defender, and I was arrested and charged with robbery with violence, a capital offense. My friend Audi was arrested and held incommunicado, detained at a police station. And all this is being done because of the work that we do.
It is unfortunate that in Kisumu recently, another colleague of mine, senior, George William Audi Oganda, was arrested for having just asked the reason why a police station in this town can be protected by a security firm. Surely, a police station in Kisumu, to be specific, Railways police station, is protected by a security guard. And that one, if Audi asks, then Audi is arrested and detained incommunicado.
We will change the name of police force to police service. Unfortunately, we are still seeing a number of police officers using force. A number of police officers are still discharging their duties unprofessionally. We are still seeing police officers violating their own National Police Service Act. Section 24 is very clear on their functions and mandate. Section 27 is very clear of their administration police mandate and function. Section 49 is very clear on their powers. Schedule 6 is very clear about their use of force, their use of firearm. Schedule 5 is very clear about the right of arrested, like they are arrested in Nyaguti. They violated Schedule 5 of the National Police Service. They went further to violate even the Constitution of Kenya. That some of the police officers within Nyanza region have decided to terrorize citizens of this region. You know we have several cases in Siaya that are unresolved. You know of the death in Bondo. where we're still pursuing. We know the case where in Rabur, a police officer, somebody was killed. You know, in Maseno, and especially Kombewa, Akala, and all these other people. We have cases that have not been resolved. And these are not ordinary cases. These are cases where we have lost lives. And we have lost lives in the hands of the police.